must be the more mustard.
You cannot put your hands. On your blindfold. That's cheating. No, what's the taste
More
like?
mustard?
No.
Right. Ding ding ding. Go ahead and pick up the chip. Go ahead and eat it. Now, what is this flavor?
This must be
I think it tastes like hot pepper.
Hot pepper.
Rick.
She said hot pepper.
I think it's Rick something like that.
What?
I think it's Rick something like that.
No, baby, no.
It must be his
No, Lily, can't. There's no chip. Stop. Blindfold. You cannot look. Okay. You gotta keep your blindfolds on. You cannot cheat. This little girl keeps trying to cheat.
Five something. I don't know.
She doesn't want to be a loser.
I don't.
Oh, she didn't see. Look,
Hey, Ma, I don't know.
Liana, put your blindfold on. No, Lily.
Ma, I don't know.
5-year-olds.
You want to review it?
If you don't know, go ahead and take your blindfold off. I'll tell you. Go ahead and take your blindfold off.
What is it?
It's
What? I did not know. Wait, what flavor is it? Does it say?
it's cheddar and sour cream.
I didn't know. That's so hard.
I got it right.
Huh?
I got it right.
No, you got it wrong.
No, because I can.
Which chips are you guys' favorite?
I would like
Where's
two of
Pringles?
them. Those ones over there.
Which one? What's the name?
So that was named pizza and that was named.
Which one's pizza? Which one's pizza?
This one was,
Okay. And which one's what?
and this one's called honey mustard morning.
Okay.
And this one right here is called cheddar and sour cream.
Okay. Which ones do you like, Liliana?
I like all of them.
You like all of them? All
Like
right.
this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Oh, okay.
If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.